Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhin fishing with Muhammad again. Long time no fishing. So we try to fish again with our friend Muhammad. So we are two only with my fishing buddy. Our main target is amberjack and trevally only. So maybe we will return back the barracuda also. It's a garbage for us. Condition is not really good. So windy and the winds are like Assalamualaikum. Back to fishing again after the 30 minutes rest because it's so windy and I have here my overhead rail for my slow jigging Sardinas reel. And this setup I use this for my fast jigging. Balik ulit sila. 150 samurai jig. Try natin. Masyado mahalon. Try natin doon 150. Pinadpad lang yung 120. Ito yung kanal. Dito yung nahuli ni Jason yung kingfish. Painin sila. Ayo Bas. Dali. Tonot. One catch, besar. First catch, besar. Ayun o. Ayun nakaw na yan. Pasyon. Muna. First catch. Nilakaan ko na ito eh. Wala. Big. Yun. We got one. Jisar got one. It still not touch the ground. Abot mo pre yung lalim? Oo. Malalim no? 330 grams to eh. Kaya bilis. 150. Hindi ko rin enough yung 50. Okay. Try mo na yan. Ito na. Ano? Lalim pa oh. Dito matakbo oh. Baka yung pula yan. Baka yung kulay pula. Abot ko na. Malalim. Ayan, fish on din. Okay, double hook. Wala sa akin. Wala sa akin, pre. Sayang. Ang lapu-lapu eh. Amor king din, Mamad. Amor king yan. Mungkin Tahad, tahad.
Lahat?
Hmm. Abot na.
Hindi ano lumalaban.
Hamor. Okay, recharge again. Recording. Cover. Ay, wala po. Hamor.
Killer.
Ew, kaya mo? First catch, lapo-lapo.
Killer.
Ew. Lapo. Feel lapo-lapo min eh. Hamor.
Hey, joy jig again.
Ibanok.
Again. Joy jig. Good.
Maliit. Sagir. Disogo. Sagir. No fight. Bisogo. Inshallah, sagir. Bisogo. Sagir. Sagir. Okay, nakadali rin. Maliit lang. Don't know what fish is this. No fight. Mungkin to judge, no fight lah. Mungkin rock. Mungkin barakuda. Laban oh. Ulit lang to. Small. No. Ada kasyab. Ayo samak. Ala. Mungkin coconut. Samak. Andak. Baka andak to. Dami na andak dito. Ang lalim pala ng ano na to. or small? Good size. Umur maliit. Pang adobo. Okay, good size na amor, pang prito. Kasya sa ano? Kasya sa kawali. Ew. So guys, click join button and be a member today. Mas salama.